out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath.
In my previous videos, I've shown you how to sketch some basic shapes in Pixellab using the Bezier tool. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sketch this particular shape using the Bezier tool in Pixellab. But before that, there was an assignment that I gave out in the first video, the second part of the Bezier tool video. And in that assignment, the assignment was for you to actually sketch the shape of this egg using the Bezier tool and post it on Instagram. Then you tag me in the post, SERENE_GH, right? So I'm going to actually show you how to sketch this as the result for the assignment. There are basically two ways to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do it right in this video before we move on to the agenda for the main video. But before we start with all those things, I just want to let you know one thing quickly. I put in so much effort to just get these videos out to you, right? This particular video, I've recorded it once, and before I realized the voiceover got corrupted and I have to record it over again, and the stress involved is demanding, right? So it would be glad if you go ahead and hit that like button on this video just to support me and also get this video across to others. Go ahead, share this video with others so that they get to actually support as we move together with this smartphone creativity, right? So enough of that, let's roll.
Think about the times you let me go, falling through the cracks, emotional. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key, used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. Gotta find my way to you, even though what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key, used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Out on the water, I'm swimming hard and trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you. Think about the times you let me go.